Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how you can use your Roku TV without your remote. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So yes, you can use your Roku TV even without a remote phone. So how you can do that? You can simply tap open a Roku app on your mobile phone. You can simply download Roku TV app on your Android device or your iOS device. Once you open your app, you can simply navigate to the app, tap on the device in account and simply connect your app to your Roku TV. Once you do this, you can simply control your Roku TV with the help of your mobile phone app, and you don't even need a physical remote for it. So by following this simple and easy way, you can use your Roku TV without any remote and get the full access from your fingertips. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more interesting videos like this. Till then, thank you so much for watching and we will be back again really soon.